Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a blanket hoodie. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So right out the bat, when you guys do take it out, and you see how the part is all wrapped up, but if you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, if you see how it's all nice and compressed, but if you guys do take it out from the bag, once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. But if you guys do fully expand it, once you guys fully expand it, this is what the part looks like. So the top part right here, they do have a hood option for you to put it on. Right here, we do have the arm option. Same thing for other side. And for the middle part right here, there is a little pouch for you guys to put your stuff inside. But throughout the actual product inside, they do have a lot of fur that will keep you guys really warm during the winter season. And if you guys can see, for the color that we do have right here is a navy color. They actually have it available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. And in terms of the size that we do have right here is a regular oversized. They actually have this available in a few different sizes as well. So you definitely want to do your own measurement to see which one is right for you guys. And the way how you guys wash this product is actually very easy. You definitely have the option for a machine to wash it using the lowest temperature setting. And you do have the option to dry it using the lowest temperature setting as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me put this on to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys bring it over to the different room, this is basically what the product looks like. If you see how it should give you guys a pretty good coverage from top to bottom. And for the front part here, like I mentioned, they do have a little pocket for you to put stuff inside if you guys do want to. But literally once I do put it on, it definitely feels really warm because of that firm material inside like I mentioned. But right here is basically what the product looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like from the side. And right here is what it looks like from the back. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want lead warranties, especially if you guys in the market looking for a onesie, or if you guys in the market looking for a high quality blanket hoodie like the one that we do have right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.